Hello everyone, I am Rajkiran Marathe, and our today's video topic is the base condition and stack overflow recursion in the Java programming language. Recursion is a composing computing step by using the output of one step as the input of the next one, starting with the first step. Recursion is the same operation, but starting with the last step um, until we encounter the base condition, which is corresponding to the first step of a recursion. Let's say we have only two instructions in our programming language. First one is incrementation. Second one is decrementation. Incrementation, which is adding one to a value, and decrementation, which is subtracting one from the value. Let's implement adding by composing this instruction. In our computer's memory, stack size is limited and usually very smaller than the heap size. If a program uses more memory space than the stack size, then stack overflow will be occur and can result in the programming crash. If function recursively call itself infinite time, then the stack is unable to store large number of local variable used by every function call, and will result in the overflow of the stack. There are cases where we prefer to use a recursive function such as a sort or a tree operation. However, if the recursive function goes too deep, an unwanted result might be occur, such as a stack overflow. Many professional developer probably already know how to replace recursive function to avoid stack overflow problem in advance by replacing with the iterative function or using stack and while loop. Now we are going to explain the solution. When a method is called, Java suspends what is currently doing and pushes the environment on the stack to make place for the stack to store the environment and resume program execution. If we call one method after the other, the stack will always hold at least one of these method called environment. When this but methods are not only composed by calling them one after the other. Methods calls method. If method 1 calls method 2 as a part of its implementation, Java again suspends a method 1 execution, pushes the current environment on the stack, and start executing method 2. When method 2 returns, Java pops the last pushed environment from the stack and resume execution, which are the of method 1 in our case. When method 1 completes, the Java pops again from the stack and resume what it was going before the calling this method. Thank you. That's all about what is recursion in the Java programming language.